What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggie on Pennies. If you're new here, hi, my name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan and simple recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm doing something a little bit more trendy. There's been this trend going around for about a month now, and everyone's been doing it. Like, it's everywhere. Apparently it's on TikTok. It's going viral on TikTok. I used to have TikTok, but then I deleted the app. So yeah, I really wasn't aware of this trend until I saw some, two videos of it on YouTube. And then I was like, this is like pretty interesting, like this whole whipped coffee drink thing. And yesterday I saw a video of Lauren Toyota, aka Hot Food. If you don't follow her, you should. She's amazing. And yeah, she was basically trying the recipe and hers looked really good. Like the photos, it looked so creamy and really epic. So I thought, why not? I'm gonna try and recreate it today. I was gonna try and practice the recipe before I film the video, but I'm like, no, I'm not even gonna try it. I'm just gonna press record and try it with you live for the first time. So I kind of know what goes inside of it. I know it's instant coffee, sugar, and I can't remember, water. I think it's like equal parts of each, and then you like whip it. Or I think some people, I've even seen some people add peanut butter. I think I've seen this. I think it's a thing that you add peanut butter. And yeah, so I did some research last night, really loose research. I found out that there's a Wikipedia page of the drink itself, and it talks about how it started in South Korea, and because it kind of originated from this dessert that's called like Dalgona, I think, and the coffee's supposed to taste like it. And then South Koreans started making YouTube videos of it, and then it got viral on TikTok, and now it's kind of just everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make that. I have pretty much everything I need downstairs, except I don't have the electronic mixer thing that I've seen people use. I do have a really good blender though, so I'm gonna try and whisk it by hand. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna try and put it in the blender and see if that works. So yeah, hopefully it tastes good, hopefully it works. I do have endless supplies of instant coffee because as a college student, instant coffee really is key when you live in a dorm and you don't really have a coffee machine. So I have all the things I need, so I'm gonna go head downstairs and try it. And yeah, hopefully it works because it looks really good and I want to try it for myself. So before you start, just make sure that you guys like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content coming soon. I've been trying to upload really frequently these past few weeks. So yeah, just make sure that you're subscribed so you can stay up to date with the content. And without any further ado, let's just go downstairs and see what we can do. I am now in my kitchen, as you can see. I think from what I've seen, I think it's just equal parts hot water, instant coffee, and sugar. And I think it's like 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons each. Okay, okay with me. And that's okay with me. Okay. Yeah, but it seems pretty easy. So it's equal parts hot water, instant coffee, and sugar. You whip it by hand and then you add it to hot or cold milk, according to Wikipedia and multiple recipes online. So we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons each because that seems to be the norm. And yeah, hopefully it comes out really frothy, like all those really cute aesthetic pictures. And yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's try it. I've got my my instant coffee. I've got 2 kinds currently. I've got the Nescafe and the Great Value, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nescafe. And then I've got white sugar, of course. I'm gonna go with the cold milk version, so I'm just gonna use this milk, almond milk from the Walmart brand. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So my hot water is ready. So the hot water is boiling right now. Oh, it's snowing outside. Yeah. The hot water is boiling right now. So I think I just need hot water. They didn't say exactly what temperature I need it at. Didn't say exactly what temperature I needed the hot water to be at, but we're just gonna go with boiling. So right now it's boiling. I'm gonna take off the kettle off of the thing, and we're gonna go with that. Tablespoons of each ingredient. So let's start with the instant coffee. So I'm just going in with 2 tablespoons like the internet said. okay. It's been so long since I've had instant coffee because I eventually bought a coffee machine, so I wasn't using it that much. So hopefully it's not even expired. I don't think the expire. Oh, 2021. Okay, we're still good. Oh, this was easy. You don't even need an electric mixer. Like with the whisk, it's really easy. I think we've gotten our foam going, as you can see. I really wonder what makes it foam though, because there's no milk, there's no fat in this to make it like fluff like this. So I really wonder. Like, I don't think the sugar has anything to do with it. That's just there to sweeten the whole thing. But like, what in the instant coffee makes it foam like that? It's really weird. Interesting. I have to like do some more research because I really don't understand the chemistry behind this, but interesting. So it works. It's super fluffy and dreamy. So let's serve this. I think I'm gonna do just serve it in a cute mason jar or a glass cup. I'm gonna add some ice, put in my cold milk, and then top it up with the foam. And I'm gonna try and taste it. Hopefully it tastes good. So I'm just gonna add some cubes. That's enough. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my milk. This is original actually. I thought it wasn't sweetened, but it is original. So almond milk is not my favorite type of milk, but it's often the most inexpensive, the cheapest to buy. So that's what I buy. Yeah, how do I do this? Just put it right on top. And we're back, millions of photos later. Alright, so coffee is done. As you can see, it looks so cute and like aesthetic. I love it. I also pull out my straw because I like to drink coffee with straws. I don't know why. But yeah, let's taste test this. It's kind of like merging, the two like parts are like kind of merging together because I took some photos and all of that. So yeah, it's been like 5 minutes, but it's still cold with the ice. It's still really cold. So let's taste test this. I'm kind of nervous because it looks really good and hopefully it tastes just as good. That's actually bomb. Like, I'm tasting like the milk and then some of the foam is mixed in it and it's so good. That's so good. What? Because usually all of those like trendy things are kind of overhyped and it's not really that good or that special or that impressive when you do it, but this is actually good. It lives up to the hype for sure and it's so easy to do. Okay, this is like a 8 out of 10. It's really good. And I don't love coffee, but this is really, really good. So now I'm really excited because I definitely have an idea of what to do with instant coffee, because instant coffee just mixed with water really isn't that good, but this, it's where it's at. And I'm kind of inspired to like do more instant coffee recipes. So I want to try and be more creative because the person who came up with this, I don't know who that person is. It's probably like a South Korean because that's where the trend originated from, but it's so good. It's so like creative and yeah, you guys should definitely try this out. The foam is really thick. It's really creamy. And everything mixed together is just really amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and go finish that drink off, and that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and are gonna try this recipe at home. I know I'm already like way behind the trend, like it was like a month ago, but I'm kind of old, so I don't really follow trends that much. But yeah, this was definitely worth a try, and I want to try and do more like trendy foods or more TikTok foods and try it for myself and see if it's like overrated or underrated. But this is definitely right on track. It's really good, and it lives up to hype in my opinion. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure that you give it a like. You can also subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm posting way more frequently, so make sure that you're up to date and you're subscribed for that. And that being said, I'm gonna go and finish this off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
What I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the